Patriotic Alliance has never been against the Palestinians. Our enemies are saying we are against the Palestinians. Radhika Takhuddin, Cheslin Steenberg are wearing Palestinian scarves in Parliament, being deployed by the PA. The PA can never be against Palestinians. We are against Hamas that burned head offices and the hospitals. The Patriotic Alliance has never stood with terrorists. We will never stand with terrorists. And Tuesday, we are sending a lot of Patriotic Alliance members back to Israel to go and learn how Israel sorted out the water problem in the desert. So to all the journalists that's here, you heard it first. Tuesday, we are going to choose people here that the party is going to choose that will go to Israel. Israel is not our enemy. Palestine is not our enemy. We are peace-loving people. We want to work with everybody. America is not our enemy. The ones that hate America must not take money from America. Patriots, the GNU, you have deployed me to the GNU. People say, why are you still in the GNU? I said I'm in the GNU because I believe